In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your files in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where your uploaded files live and how to quickly confirm they're available when you need them. Start on the main ChatGPT screen and look toward the top left area of the interface. This is where the primary navigation lives, and it's the quickest path to everything you've saved. You'll see an option labeled Library. Think of the library as your organized storage shelf inside ChatGPT. It gathers your content so you don't have to hunt through old conversations to find what you've uploaded. Go ahead and click Library. Once you're in, you'll notice sections across the top, typically labeled All, Images, and Files. These are simple filters. All shows everything in one place. Images narrows the view to visual content, and Files focuses on documents and other non-image uploads. Since we're here to check your files, choose the Files section. This instantly filters the library to show only the items you've uploaded as files. After you click Files, you'll see a list of your uploaded documents. This is your confirmation view. Each item usually displays a name and may include helpful details like the file type or when it was added, making it easy to recognize what you're looking at. If your list looks long, remember that this view is designed to keep things tidy, so you can scroll through it to review everything you've stored. In many cases, you may also see quick indicators that help you identify the most recent uploads at a glance. If you don't see anything here, that most often means you haven't uploaded files yet in this account or workspace. That's completely fine. Once you start adding files in your chats, they'll appear in this exact spot. Also keep in mind that interfaces can evolve over time, so if the layout looks slightly different on your screen, you're still aiming for the library area and the files filter inside it. A few quick tips as you use this view. The Files section is great for a fast, at-a-glance check before you begin a new task. It helps you verify that the right materials are available and avoid surprises later. It's also a handy place to reacquaint yourself with older uploads you might want to reuse. And when you're collaborating across multiple chats or projects, returning to the library keeps your workflow consistent and organized. That's all there is to it. Head to the top left, open the library, choose Files, and you'll see everything you've uploaded in one clean, focused view.